What's up, YouTube? Last Action Heroes here, Gaoh Ranger. Just wanted to go over some great trades that I got from ENM_toys from Instagram. I'm so happy with these. As you guys know, the last couple reviews we did a tokkyu-o morpher review. I've got it right here without the straps. The straps are still in the box because you know how I am, collectors are. We like to keep things kind of pristine and looking good. So, but I want to let you know, it does work. We got batteries in it, so we're going to hear some awesome sounds today. We have two, I count them, two new Megazords from tokkyu-o. We have tokkyu-o, the actual Megazord from tokkyu-o, and we have the secondary Megazord, Safari tokkyu-o, which, you know, I may have his name wrong, but he looks pretty cool, I must say. I mean, to have a Megazord made completely out of trains, you're kind of limited to your specs, and right off the bat, I mean, I didn't think I'd like him, but to be honest with you, he's pretty awesome. He's got two modes. You can do it in Tiger mode or you can do it in Megazord mode, so we'll get into that in a minute. Let's go ahead and check out tokkyu-o. Pretty excited about this one, actually. I went ahead and cut the tape. These are new, sealed in box. These have never been opened, so we're going to open them for the first time on camera. And right off the bat, we've got our instructions. Some displays of the actual trains, which is awesome. Another piece of paper taped right there. Let's check out this right here. This looks like the sword for tokkyu-o, if I can say it right. Ooh. My lights are flickering, they're so heavy. Check this thing out. That is cool. That is the coolest Megazord sword I've seen in a long time. Very detailed. I mean, like I said, who doesn't love trains, right? Now, as you knew, the red Resha come with the morpher, but this is the Megazord Resha, and I wanted to kind of pull him out to kind of show you the difference. He does separate, see? The difference in him is he folds into that, which I have not. Ooh, looks like this opens up. Does that open up? I don't even know. I haven't read the directions on this yet. It's the first time me opening them. So, we know what red sounds like. What's this do? Does this separate too? Oh. Look at that. He like goes and look at there. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Boom. Boom. Megazord head. Check that out. We're going to keep him off to the side because that right there is awesome. So, you have the red Resha. We know what he sounds like. Move the plastic over there. Let's go in, what do you think, green? Let's go with green. Check it out. Look at these big bags. Japanese lettering, so you know it's good. Put that off to the side. Let's pull out the green. Let's turn this on. Check this thing out. See what the green sounds like. As you can see, the green flips up into a foot. Very cool. There's a lock. You release it. Let's go into that. Lock the green in. That's fantastic. Alright. Now, let's do the swap. Since we got some colors to go with. to red. That's fantastic. That is awesome. And then we can release it and go with this. I have no idea what this does. Oh, okay, so that's the actual Megazord foot. These two are the Zords. You hush up. So we have got the Megazord here, and then this somehow clicks together. Let's see here. See how they got it. They have green on this one side together like this, and then you click it like this, and then somehow you get pink somewhere. Oh, okay, I see. Okay. So this goes like this, and then you have pink that connects to it like this. It locks in, and this locks in. So we have one part of the Megazord. Very, very cool. Very happy with that so far. Let's do pink for all you wonderful ladies out there, because they never make enough girl toys, in my opinion. Let's tear that apart. Let's hear what pink sounds like. And lock pink in. Very cool. Everybody loves pink. Alright, and we lock these together like that. And pink goes as an arm. Pink pulls out like that. You hook pink in just like that. We're halfway there. Alright, and let's pull out blue. Man, blue is long. Look at that. Okay, which end do I pull? I think it's this one. Very cool. Okay, let's put that over there. That over there. Let's check out what blue says. I really like the way blue looks in there. I've always been a big blue fan anyway. Really? Is that it? Alright, let's see what it sounds like if we summon a Megazord. Or Zord. Should have done that with the other ones. I'm sorry about that. That was pretty cool. Alright, now we've got blue Resha, which is awesome, by the way. Alright, we have a arm, and then we're going to hook it right here. Awesome. Check that out. Resha standing by herself, which is awesome. We love that. I'm kind of curious. These will fold back in, maybe? I don't know. How's these fold back in? Like this? really sure. I don't know. I don't know where Red Russia goes right now. I'll have to check that out. Okay, so let's put him aside. Let's pull out Yellow Russia. Boom. Yellow Russia. Last one. Let's check it out. It rotates as well, makes a fist. They're all actually not badly detailed, but you know, they are trained, so. Oh, cool. And see that, it actually pulls out. So, all these trains. Okay, here we go. Yellow Russia. Almost like, sounds like you said Thundo. Cool. Alright, let's check out the Zord. Bring on the train! You fellas sure you want to ride this train? Choo-choo. Sorry, couldn't help myself. Hancock, nothing? Okay. Alright, let's pull this out. Let's hook it back together. Let's see what we make. We're going to make a fist with this, obviously. Yeah, so like that. And then pull the sides out like that. And like that. Oh, okay, I figured out where Red Russia goes now. Okay. Red Russia hooks onto the front like that. Okay, awesome. Is that supposed to flip around? Yes. Okay, these flip around like that. Make it look so cool. Put the sword in this hand here. And voila, guys. We have our tokkyu-o Megazord, which is pretty freaking fantastic, I must say. You know, to be honest with you, when I first looked at this Megazord, I didn't think I'd like it, only because, number one, it's straight lines. It's a train, you know, it's boring. It's not very creative. You know, I mean, anybody can make a stick figure into a Megazord. But, you know, holding it, looking at it, I have to say, I actually really like it. It's not a bag Megazord. Yes, it is pretty much a stick figure Megazord, but it's pretty cool. You know, I mean, it is a Megazord, regardless of whatever feature that you may have. The pink is more of a Pepto-Bismol color, which is weird, because I was hoping for maybe like a hot pink or something to throw it all off. Yellow's a good color, the blue's a good color, red and green are all good colors. The pink, I don't know, I'll let you be the judge of it. I don't know if the camera can really show it or not. It's really like a Pepto-Bismol color. Very easily put together, no troubles at all. Has a good amount of weight to it, stands up on its own just fine. You can kind of roll it around a little bit, whatever you want to do. You know, it's a train Megazord, which is, I gotta say, it's pretty fantastic. You know, you don't think you want it until you have it. I guess that's the best way to describe it. You don't think you want this. You may be looking at it right now and you think, I don't want that. But you know what? Once you have it, you want it. You want me. Sorry. A little freaky. Sword is awesome. I really love how they incorporate everything about the trains into the Megazord. Yeah, so guys, I'm telling you right now, you may not want this, but you want this. Trust me. Very cool Megazord. I don't know, just holding it and feeling the way the straight lines are, it kind of reminds me of some of the old school stuff we used to have growing up, and I don't know, it really brings back a lot of good. Alright guys, we're back. Sorry about that. Once again, I'm a dummy. I forgot to put my phone on the charger. Been at work all day, can't believe it. Yeah, I start work at probably about 2 o'clock in the morning and usually ends about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so forgive the bags and everything under my eyes. I'm actually pretty tired, but I want to get these out to you guys so you can kind of get an idea of what you're looking at. Right now he goes for about 53 bucks on Amazon. He's a really good find for that price. He's got good weight, and like I said before, you don't know you want him until you got him. So this is something you might want to look into a little bit. He's a lot of fun. The Morpher, dude, it's only 20 bucks. Morpher, Megazord. Okay, so you're looking at a total of what, $70 for 2 awesome items, and they're Sentai. Oh, sorry about that. Didn't mean that. Let's put him aside for a second. Okay, let's go into Safari. It's like a jungle in here. Welcome to the jungle. You got fun and games. Sorry about that. Couldn't help it. Exhausted. Funny things. Alright, we have instructions that mean absolutely, perhaps absolutely nothing. Because that looks like Russia. Red Russia with Safari. Kind of matching in here. I have no idea what that does, but yeah, we might check that out sooner than later. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so let's open Safari up. Right off the bat, we've got, looks like some tiger claws, because everybody knows we need tiger claws to make a tiger. I mean, seriously, why not? You know, I've always wanted a pair of these just to... I know Pilates. An advanced Pilates. Nothing? Okay. You people need to go watch Tim Allen's movie called Joe Somebody. I'm just saying. So you get that phrase. Joe Somebody. No Pilates. Yeah. Nothing. Okay. Alright, so bag off to the side. We got the claws. Let's pull out the sword / tail, which actually kind of reminds me a lot of the Resha sword. I'm going to throw it in there. Look at that. Looks a lot like it without the stickers, and kind of reminds me of the Olympian torch. Pass it on. Pass it on. I got the Olympian torch. Just saying. It never goes out. Alright, so we're going to start with an arm, or foot, or wherever the heck this is. Boom. Reminds me a lot. Okay, basically we have pink, but it's white, black, and blue. So let's try this out. My daughter's trying to get my attention, obviously. Chloe, come on around here. You want to get in the camera?
No. That TV speaks Spanish.
Well, of course you speak Spanish.
Can you see what?
You see what I have to deal with?
Come on.
Alright, one more time. Alright, this is basically pink, okay? I'm just saying, they kind of did a cheesy job with this one. This is pink. They just repainted it. Little different sound, but as you can see, we have a fist, and basically it is pink from Russia, okay? So we have pink from Russia, just repainted. Ooh, I see some gold. I love gold. Anytime they put gold in the Megazord, I'm all excited. Alright, so this must be... This look exactly like green, guys. Look at this. Just saying. Boom. Alright, I'm going to hold green and this piece exactly together. Okay? Check that out. Exactly the same. Even on the back side. The only thing that is different is the actual changer part where you scan it in the morpher. So, let's unlock it, lay it down, check it out. So we got a completely different sound with it. As you can see, it's different layer. Alright, we hook this back on, make our feet. Okay. Obviously we have an arm here, so I do not think it belongs to this side. If I'm right. Let me look at the box. What's in the box? Had to say it. Alright, 2 different modes. So we are going to lay this down like this, and if you're going to put it in tiger mode, the claws go just like this. So let's do it in tiger mode first, because that actually looks pretty fantastic. Okay? Alright, so we've got that. And we have to fold it like this. Close that up. And actually, I believe if we do this right. No? I guess that's right. It's so weird that it would be on that side, though. I don't even know. Anyway, let's check out the main piece, the main Mama Jamma. Everybody's waiting for. Boom. Oh, cool. What's this do? It's got an extra fold down piece. I have no idea what this does. Look at that. How fantastic is that? Is that for the Megazord? Yes. That is for the Megazord. Which I'm not really sure how exactly it goes into Megazord mode, but or not Megazord mode, I'm sorry, line mode. But we're going to find this out ASAP, which I believe goes like this, locks in like that. But then again, you think it would lock in a separate way as well. But I've got nothing right now. So, no, actually maybe it goes this way. Yeah, that's the way I'm kind of seeing it, so that hooks in that way. You would think, I don't know. We're going to figure this out, though. I want to turn him into a lion so bad, so yeah. We're going to figure this thing out. Oh! Check that out. The Megazord head. Very cool. Very, very, very cool. That locks in just like that. And obviously this goes in like this for the Megazord. Ooh. My bad. Shows this going in for the Megazord, so we want to lock that into place and then lock that in. Very cool. Alright, I guess we might do the Megazord piece first, just to see how it goes. Maybe. Alright, there's the holes. So the holes are up there. This goes right here. Locks in like that. So we got kind of a Megazord going on right now. With, it's the wrong side, so let's move this out of the way. We're going to get this thing figured out. I'm telling you guys. Alright. You're learning this with me, so makes it even more exciting. You know, don't get bored. Don't get bored, because we're getting to the good part. Alright. Let's pull this apart. I know you love the sounds as much as I do, so let's check them out. You know, before I put this in there, I love the sleek design of this one. It's really, really cool. It's a lot different than the other ones. Ah! Don't go in. There we go. Very cool. Do it again. On here again. Okay, whatever that one was, I really like it. I like this one. So far, you're my favorite, bro. Okay. Rotate. Arms bend in a little bit. They give you a little play to it, which is pretty fantastic. Alright, we're going to hook this to this side. Okay, so we're locked in there. We're going to pull this down. Really? I know you go this way. Don't even deny it. I won't deny it. I'm a straight rider. You don't want to mess with me. Okay, so pull his claws out. So far, this is what we've got. A standable Megazord. The gold piece is coming out finally. And I think there is a way, maybe, to... Is it clipped on like this, maybe? Oh yeah, up underneath the chin. Very cool looking. That is actually pretty fantastic. I know I keep saying that, but I've watched Mr. Peabody way too many times. Kids, hence. Okay, well now, wait a minute. Does this one look more like yellow, or does this one look more like pink? I can't, I mean, they could have done a completely different design on these cars, but to be honest with you, that looks a lot like pink or yellow. So, same way with here, blue and green. I don't. Very cool. Even though they look alike, they're still pretty different. Let me go ahead and bring this arm out. Really? Did that last time. It's really not that hard to make these, but the trick is, I wonder if you could do like the claws on this side as a shield. That'd be really cool. Wish there was another way to incorporate the claws into it, but okay. So here we have the Safari Megazord. It's a little more top heavy than this one for some reason, but you can see the similarities between them. This one actually, I really like the white with the gold and the panther looking face, or tiger, or whatever you want to say. They're pretty much exactly the same though, so I mean, if you were to get this one, you pretty much got this one. The only difference is maybe a little bit of gold paint and the white, you know, the paint difference between the two, but all in all, these are the exact same Megazord. So, it's whatever your preference is, whichever one you prefer. I actually really like them both, but I have to say Safari is my favorite only because he has two modes in which I haven't figured out the tiger mode yet. But once I figure that out, I'll post it on Instagram on my page at Gaoh Ranger. And I'm sure it won't be too long because I will be fiddling with this thing for a while. But between these two Megazords, I think it's time for a battle. What do you think? Which Megazord do you guys prefer? Safari or tokkyu-o? Let me know in the comments below, and we might do a small giveaway to the winner. So yeah, I think these are pretty awesome Megazords. You know, like I said, you don't know you want them until you have them. They may not look like much, but they're still Megazords, and they're still a lot of fun to own. And yeah, guys, I think you're gonna enjoy these. You know, you can have a few little battles. Don't cross the streams! I can't help it! I thought you said crossing the streams is bad. It is, but we gotta do it. So, yeah. So until next time, I'm Gaoh Ranger for Last Action Hero Toys, and we will see you later. Have a good night. See ya.